You don't need an NVR to view live video from a Hikvision IP camera. You can watch your Hikvision IP camera's live feed directly in your PC web browser. And here I will show you how. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to connect Hikvision IP camera directly to your PC using a PoE switch and view live video in just a few minutes without NVR. As you can see here, I have two Hikvision bullet cameras, my laptop and a PoE switch. I'm using a Cisco PoE switch, but you can use any PoE switch to power on and connect your Hikvision IP cameras. Alright, let's get started and do some physical connectivity. First, I connect both Hikvision IP cameras to the PoE switch using Ethernet cables. As you can see here, both cameras are now power on and the PoE switch LAN ports are up. Next, I connect my laptop to the same PoE switch using another Ethernet cable. Now all three devices, the laptop and both Hikvision IP cameras are connected to the same network. If you have watched my previous video, Cisco switch configuration, you will know that we already configured the first 6 port of the switch into a CCTV VLAN. And a DHCP server already configured in this switch for CCTV cameras. Now the physical connectivity is done and let's move to the laptop and do some basic configuration. First, I will verify the laptop IP address. For that, I open the command prompt and type ipconfig and enter. And here you can see my laptop received the IP address 10.10.50.1 automatically. To view the Hikvision IP camera's video stream, we first need to identify the IP address of the cameras. For that, I will use the Hikvision SADP tool. Open the SADP tool and it will automatically scan the network and discover all Hikvision devices connected to the same LAN network. You can download this Hikvision SADP tool from the internet and it's already downloaded and installed in my PC. Here you can see both of my Hikvision IP cameras along with their current IP addresses. Now first, we need to configure the static IP address in our Hikvision CCTV IP camera through SADP tool. For that, first I select the camera in the SADP tool and make sure the Enable DHCP option is unchecked. Then change the IP address of this Hikvision IP camera to 10.10.50.11. And down here, enter the camera password and click on Modify. That's it. We successfully assigned a static IP address to one of our Hikvision CCTV camera. I will repeat the same process for the second CCTV camera. This time I will assign the IP address 10.10.50.12. And down here, enter the camera password and click on Modify. Now we wait a few seconds and then refresh the SADP tool. And here you can see the new IP address of our both Hikvision IP cameras. Now let me show you how to access the IP camera through web browser without NVR. As you know, the both Hikvision IP cameras have fixed IP addresses, so we can access them directly through a web browser. For that, I open the Google Chrome and enter the IP address of the first camera, that is 10.10.50.11, and press enter. Here the Hikvision CCTV camera login page appear. Enter the camera username, admin and password. Then click on login. And here you can see now the live video feed directly from the Hikvision IP camera to your web browser without using any NVR. The camera is connected to the PoE switch and the video is being viewed directly from the web browser. Let's check the second camera as well. I will open another tab and type the second camera IP address, that is 10.10.50.12, and press enter. Again, enter the username and password of this camera and click on Login. And there we go. The second Hikvision IP camera is also accessible and displaying live video without any NVR. So in this video, you learn how to connect a Hikvision IP camera to a PoE switch, how to connect a PC or laptop to the PoE switch, how to discover cameras using the Hikvision SADP tool, how to configure static IP address in Hikvision IP camera, how to access camera through a web browser without NVR. Also, you learn how to view live video for CCTV camera without NVR. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.